Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about this brand and about the brand's product, that is like this one, Purador anti hair thinning biotin shampoo. So how to use this product for better and fast result. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you there is a very simple method by which you can use this product very easily. Okay, so the method you can see, you just need to wet your hairs and you need to apply some amount of you can say like this shampoo. The amount will decided according to your hair length. If you have so much lengthy you can say hairs, then you have to take like lots of shampoo, and if you have small hairs, like if you have gents cutting style, then you need to use only for you can say like a small amount of you can say like shampoo. Okay, and you have to apply this on your wet hairs, and you need to leave it for 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes you can wash your you can say like hairs, and that's it. So this is the best and easiest method for using this product, and I want to tell you you have to use this product at least for 3 months, and after 3 months you will see amazing results and you will see lots of change after using this product 1 month. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and this is the bonus part for you. If you are facing any issue, you can quit the product and you can contact with the customer support team. They will guide you each and everything. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends. So if you have any issues, you can make a comment. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience, you can also share your thoughts in our comment box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.